My name is Natasha. I work at the York County Library. Welcome to my virtual art painting 101 class. Today we're going to paint spring flowers. If you would like to join me to paint spring flowers, then continue with the video. The materials that you will need for your spring flower painting project are number one round paintbrush, one sheet of transfer or carbon paper, foam board, a printout copy of spring flowers, tape, green fine marker, fine tip, ink pen, and you will need your pink paint. Once you get your materials, we will begin. Okay, now that you know the materials, the first thing you want to have to start making your spring flower painting is your transfer paper, your foam board, and your spring flower printout. Once you have these three, we can begin. All right, you want to take your transfer paper and make sure the gray side is facing you. This is the gray side and this is the black side. You want the lighter side, the gray side, to face you and to place it onto the foam board like that. Next, you want to grab your printout of your spring flowers and place that on top of your transfer paper and on top of the foam board. The next thing you want to do is not get the pen. I grabbed the pen. Is get some tape and tape the sides of the spring printout. Tape that onto the foam board so it will stay positioned. You can use one piece or 2 to 3 pieces, it's up to you. Once you have your tape positioned so the spring flower and the transfer paper is secure, then you're ready to transfer your design. So now you want to grab your pen and begin to trace. So we're going to trace. All right, so we're going to trace our spring flower. I'm gonna grab our pen and we're gonna just trace the outline of this spring flower design. And the tape is used to keep everything secure, so while you're tracing, nothing will move. So that helps with that. So I'm going to continue to trace, and once I'm done, I will come back and show you the finished work with the tracing. Okay. Okay. This is how the results turned out after I traced the spring flowers onto the foam board. It is now, the design is now onto the foam board. Now what you want to do is to grab your number one brush and your pink paint, and you want to add some coats of pink paint onto the flowers. So I'm going to do that right now, and it's going to take at least 3 coats for it to look fully complete. So I'm going to do that. I kind of got that messed up there. I'm going to add 3 coats to this, and then I'll be back with the results of that. All right. Now that I have painted the petals on the spring flowers, we are now ready to add some green to the limbs and inside the flower. So you want to take your fine tip green marker and begin to color in on the stem of the flower and on the inside of the flower. And I'm going to do this, and what I'll do is I'm going to finish working on this. This is just some of it. I'm going to finish working on it, and I'll come back and show you how it looks when it's finished. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Natasha. Welcome back. This is the finished painting of our spring flowers. I hope you enjoyed it, and please come back again to Virtual Art Painting 101 videos in about 3 weeks. I'll see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.